everyone, and welcome to our channel where we feature a different designer bag. Each day we do Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, and all of the amazing designer bags we like to showcase. So we like to showcase a different one. We also do new arrival unboxings of everything that's on our website at milkhoneycollection.com. And lastly, we have a YouTube series that is a day in the life of our small business, growing our business from 7 figures to 8 figures and more. Today I wanted to showcase this YSL bag. This is a really pretty blush color, but it's almost like a nude color also. If you look real closely, it's just a very great neutral color. It also has this really beautiful grained leather throughout. It's calfskin leather, has silver hardware YSL right on the front, and it also has a chain silver strap. It is a crossbody bag, so it lays on my side perfectly. It's a gorgeous, easy to get into. So magnetic opening here, and it opens up to a black cotton interior with a slip pocket. The back is just plain, nothing crazy on the back, but it is a gorgeous, very simple, elegant bag to wear every day or for a nice occasion as well. You can find this on our website. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.